back to our iMonitor video tutorial series. In this episode, we focus on how to set up a combination of front and rear implements. This setup is useful for separate documentation of each implement and for adjusting geometric settings, especially when the combination is not symmetrical, like a front and side mower combination. To start, it's important to know whether any implement in the combination uses isobus, as this will affect the setup process. Let's first cover a combination that includes isobus. As explained in the previous tutorials, any isobus implement will be automatically recognized by the iMonitor. You'll see it in the list of active implements, where you can then select your preferred implement for guidance. The implement start working with and overlap settings will determine the spacing of the guidance lines and the headland width. Next, you have two options for adding implements. Add a virtual implement to simulate another attachment, or attach additional isobus implements. A combination of up to 3 in total is possible. Each isobus implement's applied area can be monitored separately in the layer settings within the guidance menu. This separation also applies to section control and variable rate control, enabling precise control of each implement and its documentation, which can be exported, split by each implement, via the inventory manager once the task is completed. If you're using only non-isobus implements, please note that it's not possible to create multiple virtual implements. These implements must be set as one bar. However, you can set up an asymmetrical combination by adjusting settings in the geometry setup. Let's look at an example of combining a front and a rear mower. For this example, the front mower has a measured working width of 3 meters. The rear mower has a measured working width of 4 meters. To create this combination, set them up as a single implement. You'll have the flexibility to choose between a front or rear attachment. As first, insert the total measured working width as a value, which in our example is 7 meters. To ensure the tractor's guidance lines align correctly, adjust the position of the vehicle center, visualized on the map as an arrow. To do this, you need to adjust the implement offset, indicated as D value. Here's the calculation for moving the center to the left so it aligns with the middle of the front mower. The total width is 7 meters, placing the midpoint at 3.5 meters. By subtracting the front mower's offset of 1.5 meters from this midpoint, the resulting D value is 2 meters. Adjust or add any other dimension as needed and confirm. Once confirmed, set the appropriate trigger for auto cover and you're all set. And that concludes this tutorial. Be sure to watch our other videos for more tips and tricks to help you to get the most out of your iMonitor.